everybody, how are you? Happy Labor Day. It is a Monday. Beautiful day out. You can see the sun coming in through my window. Well, you can see it on me. So I'm not using any kind of light or anything today, my ring light or anything, because it's just so bright in here. I got to wear shades. Just want to come on here really quick, say happy Labor Day weekend. I got a little cookout today. That's about it. Thank you for the people that reached out and asked how my neck was doing, because I slept in my neck wrong about a week ago. It's been a week. And I tell you, it's been a slow process. So it's starting to be a whole lot better. I'm going to give it about another 3 or 4 days and I should be pretty good. So thank you for the people that reached out and said hello and hope things are better. So I'm doing all right on the mend. That's what counts. So it's been a great weekend. I hope it's been a great weekend where you are at. Whatever you are doing, it's been a long weekend. Hard to believe it's September 1st. Hard to believe it's September 1st. I love it. The cooler weather, I'm kind of enjoying, I have to tell you. I'm really enjoying the cooler weather. So, going to be a pretty busy month for September. Got a few things going on. I'm really looking forward to the members party at the Dunes Resort on the 21st, and then I have a wedding to go to up in Traverse City, Michigan, just the weekend after that. So, and then some work stuff and that kind of thing. So it's all good. By the way, I want to encourage everybody, keep painting those rainbows, honey, on the sidewalks, on the crosswalks, in your driveway, wherever else. It's a damn shame that people are spending their energy and stuff to remove the crosswalks, the rainbow crosswalks that we don't have enough time. And what an atrocity and disrespectful to the Pulse nightclub shooting in the memorial that they're removing it's already been removed and chalked over and removed again. So keep fighting the good fight. You know, it's the rise of the resistance. It's a shitty, weird world that we're living in, honestly, and we need to rise up and be better human beings. That's the point of my lecture. That's the point of who I am as a person, and we need to rise up and come together. It's just, I know some people wake up like, what is going on? And I've ran into a lot of people that are really at their wits' end, and we need to come together and embrace those people and give some love and support. So that's my thing. I'm angry about the rainbow crosswalks, and I'm just angry at and working hard on the bigotry and just the different laws that are happening that are going against all communities. So that's my point for in my soapbox moment for September 1st. So join with me. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. I would love that. If you're looking for a speaker on LGBTQ+ civil rights, and I talk about a lot of different things, check out my website right here, GregRBeard.com, and I will see you on Thursday. Get out. Have a great day. Enjoy the sunshine. Enjoy your friends. Give hugs, kisses to the people that you love, and I will see you at the end of the week. Take care. Bye.